Hey, this is John. I'm back with another review. Today we are reviewing the Padcaster Teleprompter. This is the Padcaster Teleprompter coming out of the box. This is the Parrot Teleprompter version 2. We have the quick start guide, I believe. Yeah, quick start guide, dust cover, mounting rings, how to put it on your camera, your hood cover, how to mount the teleprompter, and they have a Padcaster app available. So inside the box we get a dust cloth, a dust pin, and here is a plastic bag stuffed into the package. Here is a bent remote control user manual. Don't know what that's about. This was purchased from Adorama. Here is the Padcaster remote control. And I see right off I have a bit of an issue. The seal is gone from this end and the box has obviously been opened. I'm assuming this wrapping went on the Padcaster itself. So it appears I have received a used product. Here's the remote control, and it came in with the switch in the on position, and the battery is dead. So I have received used repackaged equipment from Adorama, which will be another story on part of this video. Okay, in the bag we have mounting rings. Oh, bag is tight. Alright, we have mounting rings. I believe there are like 13 of them. 37mm, 40.5, 46, 52, 55, 62. These are all metal, by the way. 67, 72, 77, 82. That is the 82 and 49. So I'll have to see which one fits the filter threads for the camera and get back with you on that. Here is the Padcaster Parrot Teleprompter. Had a little dust cover. Here's one of the mounting rings. And inside is the reflective glass for the teleprompter. This is a 70-30 reflective glass, and reading the information. And in order to mount it to your phone, there is a spring-loaded drop-down little shelf. So I will be using my Samsung phone that's in a OtterBox case. So my first question is going to be, will this fit? Got any problems? And yes, it will fit. Seems to hold it pretty good. So we'll get back on that in just a little bit when I get the app installed and get everything fired up and working. Let me put this cover back on. Alright, so that is the teleprompter and the rings. Let me put these back in the bag. I would think that these would fit virtually any camera that you might want to use. This little bag is just way too tight. There we go. Got him in there. We'll set that aside for a minute. Here is the remote control. It's got an on-off, reverse, couple other things, the on-off button in the back, and the pairing connector to hook up to your iPhone. Okay, I'm back recording for the talk about the remote control here. Reading the information, it has a plus and minus called a quick shot. It's got pre-tracking, play pause, next track, home Siri, so apparently it'll reach or connect to a Siri device, backspace, move up, move left, OK, enter key, move right, move down. So this will control the flow or speed of the Padcaster app. So let me get on the phone right here real quick and I'll pull the app up and show you what that looks like. Here is the Padcaster app, and you can, I'll load the quick start guide. And I have it in mirror mode, so it's not going to show up yet until I put it within the device itself. So we'll just test this out. See if I get it in the right direction. It looks like it. I don't know if you're going to be able to see this or not, but let's... Here's the teleprompter working. I think you can possibly see that in the screen. Too much glare. There we go. So I'll be doing a script here in a little bit and try and put that on my phone and actually give this thing a test run. So for right now, we'll let it go and be back in a little bit with the next section of the review. Wanted to show you the little lens cleaning brush. Seems to be pretty nice. And over on this end we have a little felt pad for cleaning the screen, I guess, or your camera lens. Okay, here's the teleprompter mounted on my Canon M50 camera. As you can see, it's not causing any problem with weight on the camera. It's easily mounted onto the lens with the adapter ring, and you can see the scroll of the text, which is adjustable within the app itself. Hi there, I'm John, and this is my review for the Padcaster Parrot Teleprompter 2. I ordered it from Adorama and paid $99 for the unit. This is from a script, and I am working from the teleprompter. I watched several product videos for teleprompters on YouTube and decided to go with this one. As you saw from the unboxing portion, I received an open and used unit from Adorama. I contacted their customer support staff, gave them all the details about the open box, and also sent them pictures as requested. I heard back from them in a couple days. They offered a small credit to keep the product as is. I declined the first offer, and we finally settled on an agreeable credit. This keeps us from sending and reshipping boxes back and forth. As you saw from the parts in the box during the unboxing, there are 13 adapter rings that should fit almost any camera filter ring threading. The glass is also called a 70-30 beam splitter glass. The phone is mounted on the spring-loaded tray at the bottom of the teleprompter. I found the install of the adapter ring quite easy, and also the mounting of the hood to the ring. Some reviews indicated the hood seemed flimsy to them. I find this hood is acceptable for my use. Others indicated it pulled down too hard on their camera lenses. I did not find that to be an issue for me. Another review gave this one a thumbs down based on the readability of the text on the screen. He said you had to be too close to the lens, or if you were further away you could not read it. Well, the text size and speed are adjustable in the app, and I did not have any problems reading from the screen at various distances using different lenses. I have not noticed any issues with camera focus while using the teleprompter. The phone app installed easily and will work with both Android and Apple phones. The app is free, and you can also find other apps that have more features, but you'll have to pay for that. You can write your script on your phone directly in the app, and you can also write it on a PC and import it into the phone via Dropbox or file transfer. So what are my final thoughts on the Parrot Teleprompter? For the money, I find this to be a good value. I think it is a great choice for the rookie YouTuber like me. I did not experience any of the issues I noticed in other reviews on this product. I'd recommend it based on your value for the money. If you enjoyed this video, let me know by hitting the like button. I'm very much a rookie at doing these videos, so I'm trying to up my game with each new one. Your comments are welcome, and I'll try to respond to all of them. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video.